Guys, I'm back from my summer hiatus, and I don't know about you, but I am ready to do some couponing. Saving money is definitely more important now than ever, with prices continuing to rise while coupon values remain low. So let's do some Dollar General deals for this coming Saturday, July 16th. All right, we are back. We are ready to go into Dollar General right now. Let's see what kind of stuff we can get for close to half price, maybe a little under. I think we can do it. Starting with a Gain deal, let's pick up 2 of these Febreze with the Gain scent, and these are $3.25 a piece. We have a $3.30 coupon that you can use on those, making them essentially buy one, get one free. We're also going to grab 2 bags of the Gain Flings 14 count, which are $4.50 a piece now. Oh my goodness. And we only have a $1 off digital coupon, but that's okay. It's going to work out in the end. Again, we're going to pick up 2 of the Gain liquid detergent. This is the 46 ounce. We also only have a $1 coupon off of these 2, and they are $5.50 a piece. Last but not least, pick up 2 of the Gain dishwashing liquid. It's going to come to $4.70 total for those 2, and you have a $1 off digital coupon on one of those. Make sure you have your 5 off of 25 Dollar General store coupon clipped, as well as your 5 off of 30 coupon for Gain purchases, and all of this is going to count towards that. Total for all of this is going to come to $31.20, and after all of those coupons come off at the register, as long as you're spending $30 at least, you will pay out of pocket $14.90 plus tax, or $1.86 each. And considering prices, $1.86 for detergent is not bad today. Now, we can't just go in couponing. We always have to take a look at the weekly ad too as well. So there are $2 instant savings off of the Comfort Bay welcome mats, I guess it's doormats is what you call them. So look for that. Remember, when it comes to instant savings, that comes off of your total first at the register. So if you're buying something with instant savings, make sure you're accounting for that with an extra $2 added onto your total of whatever you're spending. We also have 2 for $4 on the Mott's applesauce this week, and 2 juices, Mott's juice, for $5 this week as well. And I don't know if it's just me, but I get super excited every time I see school supplies start to come back into the stores. It reminds me of a line from one of my favorite movies, You've Got Mail. Leave me a comment down below if you know this line, or if this is one of your favorite movies too. But he says to her over email that he would send her a bouquet of newly sharpened pencils if he knew her name and address, which I thought was just like the most romantic, sweet little fall thing. So leave a comment down below if you know this line, or if you love this movie. For this second transaction, we're going to start by picking up 2 of the Aussie products, the shampoo and conditioner. These are $3 a piece, so $6 for both, and we have a $3 off digital coupon. Next, you want to pick up a box of the $5 Tylenol and use the $2 digital coupon on this as well. Grab one of the Arm & Hammer detergent liquids. These are $4.25, and we have a $1.50 off digital coupon that you should have in your account. You're also going to want to grab one of the Old Spice Gentleman's deodorant. This is specifically the Gentleman's kind for $7, and we have a $3 off digital coupon on that. Please pick up one of the Degree Men's deodorant for $3.50 and use the $1 off digital store coupon, and make sure you have your 5 off of 25 clipped. Your subtotal for this transaction is going to come to $25.75. After all of your digital coupons come off, you're looking at an out-of-pocket cost of just $10.25, or $1.70 each. Thanks so much for checking out these deals, guys. One more thing I wanted to mention is that this week there's also a $1 off digital coupon on Motrin as well as Tylenol. So if you wanted to swap one of those out for the other, or if you wanted to include them in the same transaction, you could do that too and get more painkillers if that's something that you need. Other than that, I think that's it for this week. So let me know if you want to see a video on how to get cheap school supplies. I did one last year and it got some attention from you guys, so let me know if that's something that you want to see again this year. If you're new to this channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and hopefully you will stick around with us for more amazing deals. Hit that like button.